Alright, it's Monday morning. I'm gonna be on my own a few days because John had to go back to work. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna try and dig out some pretty big stumps. This should be interesting. And try and clean some stuff up. John's gonna stop by 1 or 2 days after work to cut more trees down because he doesn't trust me with a chainsaw, and I don't blame him. It's gonna be in the 90s today. It's gonna be a scorcher again. So I'm just gonna take it easy, take my time. I got the machine until Saturday, so I have plenty of time, get done as much as I can. So I was gonna chill out here on the tailgate, eat my breakfast, then I'm gonna get to work. Alright, hope everything goes smooth. Alright, first stump of the day, the biggest one here. Took a while. I didn't video me digging it out, so I was too busy doing a lot of cursing. But it's out. I'm gonna bring it to the back and dump it. Slow but sure, we're getting there. I haven't done much video because I've been working hard trying to get stuff done. I'll get you some more during the week though. I paid a lot of money to rent this thing. Work comes before videos, unfortunately. Alright, let me get this log back there. Alright, it's Tuesday. It's raining, but hopefully the rain will cool it off a bit. I think it's just like a passing shower. I'm gonna get started. Let's get back to work. I think I would have to call this part of the property Stump Town. It's back off in the corner, out of the way. I really don't know what else to do with them right now. You probably wonder why I'm not grinding them down, but that's the area where the house is going to go, and there's going to have to be a septic tank and stuff like that, so I'm digging them out. I guess the animals need houses too, so this will be Stump Town. Alright, it's almost 10 o'clock and I didn't have breakfast yet. I wanted to get some stumps out. So 2 stumps before breakfast, that wasn't bad. That last one, the big one, was a doozy. I gotta fill in the hole when I get back. So I'm gonna go to Pilot, get some breakfast, stock up on Gatorade for the afternoon when it gets hot, and then just keep going down the line, popping stumps. Work, work, work. I gotta go get something to eat. I usually get something to eat as soon as I get here, but I wanted to get going. I wanted to get started. I'm getting hungry now. Alright, let's go to Pilot. Alright, quick breakfast, then back at it. Work, work, work.
right up into orbit. My chick's the only bound. A land earth thing's a problem. A rent being overdue. For possible solution, I haven't got a clue. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. I've loaned on my possessions, all that I can claim. I ain't got a single penny to my name. My neighbor says he's bothered by what I cannot see. He says that I can launder off what those should be. But at the end of the day, the end of the day, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day.
Alright, all I know is it's over 100 degrees. I've been working about 10 hours. I'm done for the day. I'm going back to John's. Making progress. Got a couple more days to go. It's hot. Alright, Thursday morning. We're in the home stretch here. Just a little more to do. I'm gonna pull out a couple more stumps, move some brush into the middle, leave it for a burn pile for in the fall. It's gonna be hot again today, in the high 90s. I don't mind the heat. It's just when you're out in it all day, it kind of gets to you. But that's alright. There's work to be done. Oh, and check out my badass ride today, courtesy of Mr. Stone. Now that's a truck. I feel like one of the locals now. A little bigger than my Chevy. Alright, let's get to work. Out of fuel. That's why I got this today. I'm supposed to return it with a full tank anyway. They charge you extra. I don't know if I have enough to fill this whole thing up though. We shall see. Alright, that looks about full. Let's see what we got left in here. Alright, got some left in there, so I could top it off a little bit later. Alright, that worked better than I thought it would. I guess we gotta get back to work. Alright, so we're pretty much getting close to done as far as what I could do. So that pile of brush will have to be burned in the fall. I'll give you a little perspective. This is the driveway that goes out to the street. So if you're driving up the driveway, you get to here, turn right, and approximately where the brush would be, where the brush is, that's where a house would be. And it would be facing that way out to the cow pasture. They're gonna pick the backhoe up Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday, so I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, work on leveling this ground again as best I can. Maybe pull some more stuff out along the wood line. Try and level all this area out better. But yeah, progress. I think the $1,600 backhoe rental and the fuel was a lot better than the $5,000 the guy quoted me to do this. And he said that would be $5,000 for 5 days, and he wasn't sure how far he would get, maybe additional days. So even though it was hard work, even though it was a struggle to learn how to drive a backhoe in a week, I mean, that thing definitely ain't a forklift. I think it was worth it. This way, one day when I'm living here, I'll remember that I did all this, pulled out all those stumps, and cleared all that brush. It's alright, it's hot, so I'm going to call it quits for today. I'm going to get something cold to drink. I'll talk to you later.
I ain't got no money the first week of the month. Right up into orbit, my chicks they all abound. My landlord thinks a problem, a rent being overdue. What possible solution? I haven't got a clue. But at the end of the day, at the end of the day, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. I've loaned on my possessions, all that I can claim. I ain't got a single penny to my name. My neighbor says he's bothered by what I cannot see. He says that I can launder off what gold should be. But at the end of the day, the end of the day, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, at the end of the day, it's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day. At the end of the day, you gotta feel good at the end of the day. It's all that matters, all I pray, just to feel good at the end of the day.
Alright, it's Friday. Supposed to have this picked up tomorrow, but I think I'm going to call and have him get it today because I think I'm pretty good. One good thing, it's a little cooler out today. I'm supposed to get rain. Maybe rain, I hope so. Imagine that, me looking for rain on vacation. When does that happen? But anyway, let's just take a look. Now, like I said, I'm going to have to get it leveled eventually. I've been going around with the backhoe, trying to get it better than it was, get rid of some deep ditches. This all has to be burned in the fall. I think it was worth the, you figure between the backhoe and fuel, about 2,000 bucks. I think it was worth it. Better than $5 grand. I'm thinking maybe if we do the camper option first before the house, I'm thinking putting the camper right here, this area, and like I said, the house would go there. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. It's been a long, hard week. Couldn't have did it without John's help. He was a really big help. Like I said, I didn't film everything, but there was one day early in the week he stopped by on his lunch hour from work and knocked out enough work in a half hour, 45 minutes that would have took me 3 hours. So I really couldn't have done anything with any of this without John's help. And Dawn, you know, for them letting me stay at their house all week. But yeah, we're getting to the nitty gritty, so pretty much we're going to do a few more odds and ends, call the Backhoe place, finish up a little early today, relax tonight. Maybe if it's not raining, John and I will go for a ride. And then I'm going to meet up with Bobby tomorrow. We're going to start heading north. We're going to split it into 2 days this time. I don't think he's been down in the Florida heat. I've been working here. I don't think either of us want to do 600 plus miles in a day going home, so we'll split it up. We'll probably stay somewhere in Virginia Saturday night and then be home on Sunday. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of work, but I'm happy. Finally a little rain to cool things off. Nice and relaxing. Called for the backhoe pickup. They'll be here sometime later today or tomorrow. They said I could just leave it. So it looks like we're done here working on the property for this trip. Gotta head back to John's in a little while. And I'll be meeting up with Bobby, hitting the road tomorrow. So yeah, I've been down here, well, it's been 7 days. I came down last Fridays when Bobby and I split off. So 7 days, 6 of them working on the land. Right now I'm just going to sit here and enjoy the rain. Talk to you later.